I have had people reach out to me from the UK, from the US, that they want to get an African focus outfit, but they could not find any vendor offering it. The people offering it, either they are not reliable, or they make the customer go through a very stressful process of taking their measurements. With Alphalli, complaints like this should be a thing of the past. I want you to visit Alphalli today, select from our large catalog of African focused fashion and outfits, take measurements using our AI power measuring tool, and within 7 to 10 working days, your outfit will be delivered to your location anywhere across the world, be it US, Canada, UK, Australia, Switzerland, Germany. Your outfits will be delivered to you. I'm looking forward to see what you'll be ordering for. Visit alphalli.com today.